Hey up YouTubers, how are we? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all keeping safe out there. Just over a week ago, me and a mate of mine had 3 days up in Scotland. My plan was to document the whole 3 days, but something went wrong. Somebody forgot the GoPro mount that attaches to his helmet and the GoPro microphone adapter. But you can't guess who that was. Anyway, I did manage to get some footage, some half decent footage. Probably not the footage that I really wanted. If you fancy seeing a bit of Glencoe, stick around and stay tuned. So I've just been for a bit of breakfast at TJ's Diner. I'm just on the A82, turn left. As you see, they're just there. I've got the Green Welly stop. And we're heading up north on the A82. And we're going to end up going through Glencoe. So as I said before, we forgot the equipment to put me camera on my helmet. And hopefully you'll enjoy it. Everything starts just as you come round this corner. You can just see on the right hand side, you probably may be able to see it, the West Island Way. There's the train track as well. I'd love to go on. It goes all the way from Glasgow, I believe, all the way to Inverness. Yeah, the landscape is rather amazing around here. Look at that. Would you call it a hill? Or would you call it a mountain in front of you? There you go, you can just see the train track now there, just on the right. It goes on the right hand side of that mountain that we can see in front of us. It don't go through Glencoe. And there, just on the right as well, below the railway, is the West Island Way. If I'd have had my camera on the side of my head, you'd have been able to see people walking down it. So we were very lucky. The weather was rather amazing while we were up in Scotland. And if you just wait 1 second, somebody going to make an appearance? Here he is. So just past Loch Tula, just on the left. Around the big hairpin. It's a lovely corner, lovely roads. I'm just going to pull over now at Loch Tula viewpoint. There's a man here with no trousers on. Yeah. There we go, ladies and gents. That's what I was looking at when we were coming on. So because you're tied to my handlebars, can't really show you a great lot. But the view is rather good. So back on the road again, up on the A82, heading north. For these people who've never been to Scotland, you just see the vastness of this. You know, we're riding down this road now on the 82, heading towards Glencoe, and we're not hanging about, but I keep cutting this video and cutting it and cutting it. But we just end up with everything in front of us that's the same. It's just the pure vastness of the place. You know, I live in the Lake District, but from one end of the Lake District to the other end is like 50 mile. I'm going down Glencoe now. It's from Tyndrum to Glencoe village at the bottom. It's 30 mile. Which, another 15 20 mile on it is the length of the Lake District. The scenery just gets better and better. We do a right round this corner now, a little bit of a straight and into the left, and you come back into the bottom side of Glencoe, and it just opens up, and it's just awesome. Look at it, the size of them. I won't call them mountains, but probably hills, yeah. Then you drop down into Glencoe village, which is on the shores of Loch Leven. Ballachulish Bridge. Some bridges, that, isn't it? Like something in America. It's just a pity that I couldn't show you on the right hand side of looking up the valley towards Glencoe, up Loch Leven. It's pretty impressive. So YouTubers, what do you think about that? Wasn't that bad really, was it? Try and make a silk purse out of a sow's ear. I don't think I did so bad. If you like the video, don't forget, give us a thumbs up. Any comments you'd like to do, please comment down below. Trust me to forget it. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell every time I upload a video. You'll get a notification. Thanks to all you subscribers out there. Hope you're enjoying the channel. Don't forget to like, tag, share and follow. Keep safe out there. And as they say, we'll see you soon.